Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 49. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. That 6 makes us our 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5. No help here, 1, 5, 9. Same here, 1, 5, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 4. 2 here, so 4, 9. 2 here, so 4, 9. That means the only place the 2 can be in that column is here. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 9 makes us our 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. And I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7, 6 here, so 4, 7. So that means that our 6 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got the 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 4 here, so 1, 9. No help here, 1, 3, 4, 9. 3 here, so 1, 4, 9. And no help here, 1, 3, 4, 9. For this, or let's do this box. We're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 4, 5. 1 here, so 4, 5, 9. 1 here, 5 here, so 4, 9. 1 here, so 4, 5, 9. So that means the only place the 1 can be in that box is here. And if we look at this column, the only place the 4 can be is here, and that makes this our 7. With that one, we can get rid of this 1. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. I don't see any help, so 1, 2, 4, 9. If we look at this row now, the only place the 2 can be is here. The only place a 3 can be is here. Nope, we already have a 3 over here. Never mind. So what was meant to be there would be a 1, 5. But we have our 5 here. Sorry, this is messy. So that makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 5, 3. Let's see. With that 1, we can get rid of this 1. That means the only place now in this box that can be a 1 is here. In this column, the only place the 4 can be is here. Get rid of this 4 and this 4. We've got this 5 here, that makes this our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 9, 4. The 5 and 9 makes this our 1. The 1 and 5 make this our 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. This 4 makes this our 9, 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 9, 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 9 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.